Does it go into a nest? Is that one of those new beautiful birds?
It looks like it.
It's all right.
Don't touch it.
Well,
Because then the mother won't help it.
well, where is the mother? Jonathan, do you see the baby bird? You see the little birdie?
I didn't even see a nest.
Yeah, it's like it was trying to fly and got blown. Do you see the little bird? Be gentle. Yeah, it's a little baby birdie. See the baby bird? It's a little bit scared, huh?
Yeah.
See that little sound it makes? It's trying to call for its mom. Yeah. That's right, a little baby bird. I can hear something over here answering, I think. Sounds like the same call's coming from a bigger bird over there.
Yeah,
Jonathan, be very careful. Yeah, it's the same sound, right?
It's up
Yeah,
in
that's
that
the same sound. I can hear it coming from over there. See, it's the same kind of call. Yeah, you hear it? There might be a couple of them making sound.
No, it's this one. This one? Way up there? Yeah.
So it must have blown up and out of the nest? How would it ever get back up there?
Well, they say you can either, if the parents are around, just leave them. I looked it up.
But what about Harley?
Or
Even Avery, but Harley especially.
yeah, or